Hey guys, Shadney back, and I have a little bit of a kit share to show you today. I went through and I was pulling out pictures from back to school that I wanted to scrap from this year, and I put together like a little kit for back to school stuff. I'll probably pull some more of my own shop stuff into this, but this is just the stuff I pulled from my stash. Stuff that is specifically school themed, and then just other stuff I wanted to either get used or that I thought went with it really well. So I'll show you the pictures first, and I did specifically go through and pick out papers for each set of pictures. So I have these breakfast pictures with Girly and my cousin. Her best friend is a 19-year-old boy, so that is their pictures from when we all went to breakfast one morning. These are first day of school pictures. And okay, so this is her first day of her back to school board thing. Can't see it very well, but what happened was I could not get the chalk marker off of this board because I didn't erase it like right after the photos last year. I left it on this whole year. So I couldn't get the chalk marker off. So I went through, I just stuck a piece of pink cardstock on there and then wrote it in with a Sharpie marker, and it's the same questions that were on the board, but that's why it looks weird. Then this was after her first day of school when she crashed out in the car. We went to dinner, and then like right after school we went and had an early dinner, and then she passed out on the way home. This was in her classroom, and this was at lunch. This is with my cousin Candace. She works at the school, and I drop her off to India in the mornings. Oh, that's her again. So I think those pictures go together. I put this together a while back, like right after school started. Me and Phil, whenever on the first day of school, me and Phil started she's only been last year and this year, but our tradition we made up last year is that we go to breakfast after India goes to school. And then this was the second day of school, so you can see her outfit and everything, and she's got little space buns with her little bows. And then this was a first day of school picture, but I just love that picture, so I blew it up so it'll be on its own. So, trying not to spill soda on anything. First, I'm going to show you the paper. And again, I put this together a while ago, so I don't really remember exactly what I was doing. Okay, this one I know I was doing with the breakfast photos because I want to stick them in the different little frames. So I thought that would be cute. So there's that one. I'm just going to set these aside so I don't lose them. I'm trying to remember. Okay, this one I think was the one I was doing with me and Phil's photo. And it would, because you see through it, it'll pop up on that one. And then trying to remember, this one I think was these pictures. This one was that picture. This one was these. And then I don't know what I was doing with those. I don't remember. This is what I have left. But I remember I was going to use all three of these together. So something about those and the rest of these. So we'll figure that out later. Okay, and then what I pulled out these Simple Stories foam stickers Hello Today collection. So there's all different ones. There is this Vicky Booten Hello Friend chipboard stickers. I can't remember which collection this was from, but I've used one out of this whole, or two. I've used two things out of this whole thing. So I thought that would be a good one. These frames from Pink Fresh, they're older, but I kind of have hoarded them because I love frames, like especially the ones that look like these old, with the notches out that the old cameras do, but I've been hoarding them. So there's that. Real fast, I'll go through the paper. So I pulled both out because I have two of this Hello Today from Simple Stories. I really love this paper pad because you've got nice kind of more tone on tone solidy prints on the back, and even the fronts are very usable. I'm usually a B-side girl, but even the A-sides of this I love. Then I have Back to School, which is from Echo Park, and it's got a lot of fun back to school papers, and it's got some good B-sides even if you didn't want to use the back to school stuff. And then I also pulled out the Hello Today sticker book that goes with this collection, and there's a bunch that could go in there. So those are the papers. Then here, I'll show these. Then I've got the Field Notes Rosie Studio puffy stickers, and they're all titles, but they're kind of, I think they're supposed to be school themed. They're not super themed. You could totally use them for anything, but they go really well. The Little Dude Simple Stories collection of stickers. So there's all sorts in there. This is the Simple Stories School Life, and these are fake brads, the adhesive brads, which I know some people don't like because they're not real brads, but I don't mind it because they still look like real brads. I'm totally fine with that. So, and then this is the Echo Park I Love School adhesive brads. Yeah, they're adhesive too. And it comes with some chipboard. This is just a piece that I pulled out of the messy cup up there, as Christina calls it. I have some wood hearts from Redefined Creative, some field trip enamel stickers, some enamel dots from Freckled Fawn. These are a Chamel. They're supposed to be like little mini flare, but they're on adhesive already. And then some regular adhesive. Epic Day, Yes, Enjoy, and Live. Chamel's Never Grow Up. This collection, it's got the dots, some sequins, and because it's got the holographic sequins, something else had holographic. This has holographic on it too, so I think that'll go really well to tie into at least one of the pages. And then the wood buttons, the tiny heart stickers that are in the shop. These are the Sweet Story. This is the Sweet Story sticker book, and it's got all these things. I especially pulled it out for the tiny word stickers, but there's a bunch of other stuff. There's also all these frames that go with that paper, so I can probably incorporate those in there as well. These are Freckled Fawn. They're just paper clips, but if you ever order from Freckled Fawn, they'll sneak in some like a thank you gift in, I think in every package I've received, I've gotten a bonus something, but maybe not every package, but I think so. And this was one that I haven't used them, so I thought I could incorporate at least like the heart one or the yes or something. The bright puffy hearts from the shop. I think I only have one package left, maybe two of the brights. I do have more of the pastels, but I will be ordering more whenever I get a chance. So there's those. These are from 7 Paper, which was Studio Calico did 7 Paper for a little bit, but I don't know the whole story behind that, but they're supposed to be like back to school ones, little cork pieces. This was from a holiday sticker book from Simple Stories, and I just pulled out the back to school one because I figured I'd be more likely to use it if I just pull it out than leave it in there and just forget about it. 3 gold hearts from the DIY shop. This is the last of them, so I'm trying to get them used up. More enamel dots that are out of the package. These are Pretty Little Studios. They're a Christmas cheer collection, but they're clear stickers that look like stitching. Felicity Jane little puffy border strips that I've had forever, I need to use up. Felicity Jane chipboard stars, also an open package I need to use up. Washi from Freckled Fawn. Yeah, Freckled Fawn. Puffy hearts from Feed Your Craft. These are pink paisley, but they're what are they called? Canvas stickers. So I thought color wise and everything, they go really well. Some Freckled Fawn label stickers. I have a couple of those. I think that's all the label stickers. Some little hearts from, I think these are Studio Calico, but I don't know. Some Daily Flash October Afternoon stickers. Chipboard stars. Some tiny word stickers in black and white. I thought the black and white was good because it kind of reminds you of chalkboard. And then some puffy hearts from Citrus Twist. There's a weird sticker. And then some puffy hearts from Citrus Twist. I got some washi tapes. These came in a set. No, these came in a set with something else. I don't remember the other one. These are Simple Stories. This one came from the Good Vibes collection from Crate Paper. I have no idea where this one came from, but I love it. And then that one, I think it's a Studio Calico, but I'm not 100% sure. But I love that pink with the red grid. And then last but not least, some Distress Oxide spray in Prize Ribbon. This is the newest Distress Oxide color that they released. There might be one out since then, but it's the newest one I've gotten. So I wanted to be able to incorporate that into that, and then it goes really well with all the colors. So there's that. That is my kit share, and then you'll see all the process videos to work through it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and happy scrapping. Bye.